Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to save money in 2024, you've come to the right place. Whether you're looking to cut down on unnecessary expenses, boost your savings, or even start investing for the future, I've got you covered in this ultimate guide. Over the next hour, we'll dive into practical money-saving strategies that can change the way you manage your finances, and some of these tips can start saving you money today. So grab a pen and paper, or maybe just hit that like button to keep the good energy going, and let's jump into the top ways to save money in 2024. Section 1. Automate your savings. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money. Automating your savings. The beauty of automation is that you don't have to think about it, you just set it and forget it. This is a game changer when it comes to saving consistently. The first step is to set up automatic transfers to your savings account. You can have a percentage of your paycheck, or even a flat amount transferred right when you get paid. This ensures you're saving before you have the chance to spend it. Here's a great trick. Set up your transfers to happen on the same day you get paid. This way, saving is one of the first things you do. No temptation to spend it all before you save. And if you're looking to really supercharge your savings, look into high-yield savings accounts or apps that help you invest your money automatically like Acorns. Even the smallest, automated contributions can really add up over time, especially when it comes to compound interest. Section 2. Review and cut unnecessary subscriptions. Next up is something we all tend to overlook: subscriptions. Whether it's that subscription box for skincare or the endless streaming services, we often don't realize how much these recurring charges are adding up until we see the bill. The first thing you want to do is audit your subscriptions. Start by going through your credit card statements or bank accounts and make a list of everything you're paying for. Some things are easy to forget about, like subscriptions for apps, gym memberships you rarely use, or streaming services that you haven't watched in months. A quick tip: download apps like Truebill or Trim. These apps will help you track and even cancel subscriptions you don't use. It's a great way to save up to $100 or more per month without even trying. Don't be afraid to get rid of what you don't need. Cutting subscriptions you're not using could free up a significant chunk of your budget. Money you could be using to save or pay down debt. Section 3. Meal planning and cooking at home. Let's talk about one of the biggest budget leaks: food. We all know it's so tempting to eat out, order takeout, or grab that coffee on the go, but it's also one of the easiest areas to save money. The solution? Meal planning. By planning your meals for the week, you'll not only save time, but you'll cut down on impulse buys and food waste. Start by looking at what you already have in your fridge, pantry, or freezer. Then plan your meals around those items. Here's a simple trick: cook in bulk. Make a large batch of chili, pasta, or a stew and divide it into portions for the week. This not only saves money but makes it super easy to grab and go for lunch or dinner. That means fewer trips to the drive-thru. Also, don't forget to use coupon apps or store loyalty programs. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, and even grocery-specific ones like Ibotta can help you save on both groceries and restaurant meals. Meal planning might take a little time up front, but it can save you hundreds of dollars a month if done consistently. Section 4. Use technology for smarter shopping. Let's talk about the importance of using technology to save money when shopping. In 2024, there are so many apps and browser extensions that can help you find discounts, track prices, and earn cash back on your purchases. Honey is an absolute game changer when it comes to finding discount codes at checkout. It automatically searches the internet for the best promo codes and applies them for you. Another favorite is Rakuten. When you shop online, Rakuten gives you cash back on most purchases, which can add up significantly over time. Also, for larger purchases like electronics, Camel tracks the prices of items on Amazon, so you can see if the price is at its lowest point before making a purchase. Using these tools means you're never paying full price again. Why not let technology work for you? Section 5. Reduce utility and transportation costs. Utility and transportation costs are some of the most significant expenses in any household, but there are plenty of ways to lower them without sacrificing comfort. For utilities, make sure you're using energy-efficient appliances and switching out light bulbs for LEDs. These small changes can lower your electric bill by a significant amount each month. And using a smart thermostat helps reduce heating and cooling costs by adjusting temperatures based on when you're home. When it comes to transportation, carpooling or using public transit can save you a bundle on gas, parking, and maintenance. Even just cutting back on unnecessary car trips can make a noticeable difference. If you're in the market for a new car, consider a fuel-efficient vehicle or even an electric car to reduce long-term fuel costs. Section 6. Refinancing and consolidating debt. Debt is a major obstacle for many people trying to save money, but there's good news. Refinancing and consolidation can help reduce monthly payments and interest rates, freeing up money for savings. If you're paying high interest rates on credit cards, student loans, or other debts, consider refinancing to lower those rates. Even a small reduction in your interest rate can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Websites like LendingTree and Credible make it easy to compare offers and find the best refinancing options for your situation. You can also consolidate your debt into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can streamline your payments and help you pay off your debt faster. Section 7. Boost your income. Sometimes the best way to save more is to earn more. And in 2024, there are more opportunities than ever to start a side hustle or make extra income on the side. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or ride-sharing with Uber or Lyft, there's no shortage of ways to bring in extra money. If you have a skill or a couple of hours a week to spare, you could make a few hundred extra dollars per month. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork let you leverage your skills to land gigs and make extra cash on your own schedule. Imagine turning your passion or expertise into a reliable income stream. Section 8. Changing your money mindset. One of the most important aspects of saving money is having the right mindset. Your relationship with money can drastically impact your spending and saving habits. The first step is to define your financial goals. Do you want to buy a house, save for retirement, or travel the world? Write these goals down and make sure they're specific and measurable. Adopting a growth mindset means being proactive about your finances. Instead of thinking about what you can't afford, think about what you can do to achieve your financial dreams. Every small change you make adds up. Section 9. Invest for your future. Now let's talk about investing, because saving alone won't always get you where you want to go. Investing is the key to growing your wealth over time. Start by opening an IRA or 401k to get those tax benefits. If your employer offers a matching contribution, make sure you're taking full advantage of that. It's essentially free money. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs to get broad exposure to the market without having to pick individual stocks. Platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront make it easy to start investing with little money up front. Section 10. Buy smart, durable goods and quality purchases. Finally, let's talk about smart buying decisions. We often focus on saving money by buying cheap things, but sometimes buying quality products up front can save us more in the long run. Instead of buying multiple cheap pairs of shoes over the years, invest in a high-quality pair that will last longer. Same goes for furniture, electronics, and even appliances. Also, check out refurbished or second-hand options when possible. Sites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace offer quality items at a fraction of the price. Conclusion and final tips. We've covered a ton today, from automating your savings to investing for the future. By implementing even a few of these strategies, you could be on your way to saving hundreds of dollars each month and building wealth for the future. Remember, saving money isn't about depriving yourself. It's about being smarter with how you use your resources and making your money work for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's looking to make smarter financial decisions in 2024. Let me know in the comments, what tip are you going to start with? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.